Get overheated. If you get overheated, it's on you.
We are
If you
out
see
here
anybody around
today.
you staggering because they're overheated.
Simi Valley.
Let's help them out.
Simi
Let's
Valley,
give them something
California.
cold to drink and get them in the
At,
shade. Now we
where
got
is
a
it?
song
At the Elks Lodge. Yes.
requested by Big
Ice
Jim
cold.
Vandenberg, Little Cobra.
Carbonated beverage in hand. This is the third time I've been to the show. It's pretty good. I think they have like, I think I overheard them saying like 90 cars here, 90 entries. So, oh, I'm blinded by the sun. Let's turn that around, right? Right. Here, I learned my lesson by now. So anyways, gonna walk around and see what we see today. There's a lot of nice cars out here, a lot of original hot rod style. And how these, this crowd is hot rod. So it's good times, good people. Let's go, take a walk with me. Let's go. We got the music and we're over here kind of crossed by the front of it. So let's try and see what we can get here real quick. We got the old Prowler. All right. Prowl and creeping up right there. Very nice. Got that AC fan down there. I love it, baby. Some small block thrown under the hood. I'd like to say thank you over there, Julie Brown, for this tasty ice cold beverage today. Right now, have to keep things in control. I'll drive home, so we'll get some food later. Not get crazy, right? Worst case, Josh Brown lives right down there. Portable Stingray. We got under the hood here. 69. Wrap it to the back. Convertible. That cool color blue. Chevy right here, nice and clean in the back. Original, clean lines, clean interior. 56 with the straight 6. Yeah. 62 bourbon. They call it a bourbon back then. Kind of straight, super clean. The tail light in the center, it's always cool. Peek over the back seat, look down the side. Hey now. Take a peekaboo from the other side as well. Who's that shadow? Me and my shadow right there. Straight 6. Relatively big cubic inch 6 in there. Don't really know what it is. 2 bourbon, right? Look at 3-door, 2-door. What's the other one? Like the panel style van? Somebody help me out. Very clean. Bourbon. Tripping over here. Awesome. Four-door. County Part 5. Shaved door handle in the back. Very nice. Pop up a gas tank because they left the tail light over there. Here we go. Don't know unless you go. Guess what? Gotta find it out, maybe. Uh-oh. And here we go. Past couple Jeeps that we gotten have been like super duper clean. This is more of an original style. Still got a cushion seat in there. A little more patina, a little more usage. You guys will appreciate that. We got a treat right here. Bonus of 30s. Down. Lift up the frame. Here. Beautiful. Another cup worthy baby. Got about that hood ornament. say, if it don't get all over the place, it shouldn't be in your face. Got a little catch can right there. Vertical Chevelle. What we got under there? Looks like a small block. Tina Love over here. That big GMC. Beast, corrected again. See? Chevelle, Malibu. Kind of the same, but not the same at the same time, right? Does that make sense? Of course it does. You know why? Because this guy said it right here. Let's go. Simi Valley Elks Lodge. Get her done. Scared the shit out of me right there. Race car, Malibu. There's Chevelle. Got that Malibu ring. 396. Looking good. Got the bottle catch can. Chevelle. It's got the meats on the back. Swinging around. There's that guy. '34 Roadster. Been through the days of building. A nice pinstriping. 56. It's a nice. Here we go under the hood. Classic, old like Carbonated style build, right? Beautiful. Back to the moonwalk. Watch out for them damn parking blocks. Me and my shadow everywhere I go. Mustang right here. 66. All the racer parts. Racer gauges anyway. Judging going on. Kept that Ford block in there. Appreciate that. Very nice and very clean. Ford. Badass tubs in the back right there. Look at that. Let's bounce around to both sides. 6. No, let you go. Guess what? You already know. Classic 47 Ford. I like this car. Pinstripes, flame, old school flame. Maybe some Coca-Cola in the Wienermobile. Bio Fireball. Last week at the Moose. Glad to see you away. I'm glad to see they took that ketchup away. Mustang still has that straight 6 under there. Many people appreciate that. Others say make it a hot rod. Hey, gotta like all kinds, yeah. If you don't love it, I don't know, something wrong. We got that Gen 2 out here. Nice car. 70 and a half. That is built like none other. This thing is a panty dropper, showstopper, womanizing. Woo! Make Ric Flair say, woo. Hey now. With that deep dish. VW buggy. Almost looks like the Mannix minks that used to be in the backyard over there at the house, but they are. Oh, got to put on my backup lights. I'm doing well. How are you?
Thanks. How are you?
I'm all right. Is this yours?
Yes.
It's nice. She drives it. They're not going to paint it again because they're all their kids learn to drive a stick in this, take it out to the desert. Their grandchildren are learning to drive in this bad boy. It's good stuff. It's got a nice story. It's good. Good time. Good times.
62 Volkswagen with a fiberglass body on it. It has a fairly new Scat motor, 1776 motor with the stock 4-speed transaxle on it. And it's been everywhere. It's been to the beach, it's been in the mountains, and my grandkids love it. They're driving it all the time. But we haven't done much to it lately, but because it's just fun. We're out having a good time with it.
You're enjoying it, and that's what it's all about, right?
That's what it's about. This thing, I've got this one and I got this one. It's hard to pick, but you know, I like both sides.
I like it. I love it. Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Yep.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you. See, they got both sides of the spectrum. They got the Cybertruck right here. Loving it. Get around to the back because they got it open back there. Tell me a little bit about that truck, Cybertruck.
This is a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck, and it's all electric. It's got 600 horsepower. It's 1-speed automatic, and it's the best riding vehicle I've ever been in. Didn't know about it. I had to make overnight decision if I wanted it or not, and it was the best decision I've made regarding good vehicles. Somebody offered me a couple $100,000 for it, I wouldn't take it because there's no other vehicle out there that's going to top this ride, convenience, and it's saving me a lot of money. So, but this thing is, you know, take our electric bikes.
Got the
everywhere.
bikes ready to go.
Push button here and there. Got storage underneath here. I can't do it obviously because of the bike.
Yeah.
Got storage in the front. It'll hold 5 large adults, and they'll all be comfortable and amazed how quiet it is and how powerful it is.
I love it. I love it. And how heavy are these things?
They're very heavy.
8,000 pounds?
8,000 pounds. It's about a little over almost 2,000 more than my Ford truck that I have.
Yeah.
But my Ford truck isn't as comfortable, and it's not as quiet. Oh wait, this doesn't make any noise. But anyways, I get to keep both vehicles, and I love them both. But this is what I'm in. You know, I broke my neck a long time ago, and this is the only vehicle I can drive more than 100 miles without having pain.
And feeling comfortable.
Very comfortable.
And it goes 0 to go.
Yep. And recalls, I've only got 1 recall. I'm an owner. I've only got 1 recall. It was for the accelerator.
Oh, okay.
And that was done by somebody who should have done something to it. It wasn't a Tesla problem, but they're fixing it. Very happy.
All right. All right. Thank you very much again.
Hey, no problem.
Let's have a good day.
Take care.
All right, thanks. Good stuff right there. We got the 755 horsepower Corvette. Out here in that beautiful California sunshine. Here we go. Here we go. A little news report. Here's a nice, very nice Thunder. Thunderbird. Nice, clean, beautiful. Drop it down. Nice clean lines on these things, right? Certainly don't make them like they used to. You got this, and you got the Cybertruck right over there. Love it. 55, 69 step side. Has what it takes right here. All the bells and whistles under the hood. Got that putty gray interior. This thing is really nice and clean. Hold on, pause for that. Look at that, go nice with the tail lights. C-notch back there. Straight body. Doesn't need my love. This needs somebody's love, and it's getting it. Looky there. All that good stuff. Corvair. Wrap it around here. Classic hot rod style right here. What do we got down there? Old school flame. It's not a little red Corvette. This thing's badass. Hurry up before that song starts. Get hit for a damn copyright over here. Good steering wheel, but everything else. Original. Navigate my way through the vehicles over here. The dual antenna, Super Sport, 64 Impala. Muscle under there. Nice straight. Check it out. Original style. Start from the backside of this here Ford. Cars are awesome. Original. Big old grill. Throw some steaks up there. Oh, got the flathead in there. Appreciation. Yes, sir. A few months ago, I was parked next to this one right here. This is a badass. Painted it himself, I believe, if I recall correctly. Him and his buddy, like 15 years ago. And that paint has withstood time. Clean from front to back, top to bottom, inside, outside, upside down side, every side. It is a beaut. Oh yes. Skeet skeet. The V8 Ford. Our little Auga horn up there. It's time for a refill on my ice cold carbonated beverage. It's no longer so ice cold anymore. Took my last drink of it on the rumble seat. Last drink of my beer, and I looked down. Got a little bug in there. I got a little extra protein. It's all good, baby. So don't kill you. Makes you stronger. Super Sport. Hot Rod City out here. Original. 69. Throw some meat under the hood. Here we go. 41 Zephyr. Fly away on my Zephyr. Laptop. That is a big old boat. Careful when you walk around these things, right? Little toy. Careful when you walk around any car, of course, especially something like this. So if you do something, oh mercy, there ain't no washing dishes to take care of. The 3 Pantera opened up for us to see and enjoy what that Pantera life is all about. Cockpit. Bring it down, around, and together with the front. Got a real Woody here. I'm not talking about the one in my shorts, ladies. We got some real wood. Luciano. Model A. Got in here the little bang bang chitty chitty bang bang. Beautiful. Pickup truck affected by the sunshine. Some heat over here, I think. It's starting to do some things on its own. That neat device. It's just the Aoquan.
All right, once again, we'd like to thank you all for coming out to our car show and welcome you here. Want to give a quick shout out to our sponsors, Detail Supply over on Royal Avenue for all your auto, truck, or RV and boat detail products. Give those guys a
Got
shout.
some patina love over here.
A&D
Get some shots in while the
the
MC is speaking over there.
Repairs and all factory maintenance that's required. And contact them, they'll hook you up. Also, Simi Auto Supply and Speed Wash, full service car wash, the speedy drive-through car wash with free vacuums. Want to get involved in that?
And 3 vacuums.
O'Reilly Auto Parts for all your auto part needs, as well
Convertible
as
Porsche.
Tampa Auto Parts. We appreciate both
Something
of
from,
them and their support.
Not all.
Jessica Sawyer for State Farm
Varieties of
Insurance
cars
for
out
all
here.
your insurance needs.
It's certainly quite a bit.
Also, Capstone Green Energy. Products that create energy at less cost, fuel, and waste.
All right, let's
for
break
less
this like
income.
this
Give those
color
guys a
here.
call if you need any help with that area. We want to thank all our raffle donors. If you haven't been over to the raffle
Small
table,
block.
come check this out. We've got some wonderful packages.
GM
up
lovers.
there. The Ventura County,
Love to
Ventura
see
County
them.
Fire
Put
Department. They put a nice back.
GM blocks in their Ford.
Sorry, can't talk right now. Nice bag
bragging
together
rights.
for you, as well as the line dancers here at the Simi Elks. They have a few things best.
$3.96.
Something really special at the end. Want to announce our bingo booth every Wednesday. We have bingo here at the lodge. If you have a bingo itch, come and scratch it here
Very
on
clean.
Wednesdays. It's a lot of fun.
Park next to this
Wonderful
gentleman
people. As well as
at
we're
the Hells
upcoming.
Angels
We have
show.
a Halloween party will be the 26th
Some time ago.
here at the Simi Lodge. If you'd like to get involved in that or participate, we'd love to have you.
Here, and in the back over there, got that pickle pork. They're gonna fire that thing off at noon. No idea what time it is now. It's a beautiful Land Cruiser right here. Fully restored, super clean. Buggy. Hey, these things look very similar to the Mannix things that we used to have over there. You can tell, yeah, it is a different body style, but these things are cool. I've never driven one down the street. I imagine it's pretty sweet. 5 Mustang. Take a peekaboo under there. Fresh paint. There ain't no lady from Pasadena here. Fastback. Side by side. See the VW buggy crew out here. Nice clean Pontiac. Some nice meats on the back. Original. Very clean, very nice. Bring it around here. The little the gauge under there. You can peek out the window, the windshield, and see what the heck is going on. Right? Right. Nothing in there, right? Bare bones mini ma'am. Still pretty cool. B-dub out here. Restored. Box. El Camino Love out here. And yes, the El Camino is out here today. I didn't start with it because I started at the other end where there was some something very vital that I needed. That ice cold carbonated beverage. That's why we haven't bounced into it yet. But believe me, it's a coming up. I think I gotta go hit the old urination station, but El Camino Love, baby. $3.96 in here. Looking pretty cool, looking pretty sweet. Shining, 3-3 stroker. Stroke race. El Camino Love. There we go. Big muscle, mustacular. Yeah, that's a real word. Look at, scared him out of his skin. El Camino Love, baby. Original, clean. Mustang. Check that out. No windshield wipers. Who needs windshield wipers in the summertime? Not nobody around here. You know. Steps, I got all the accessoricities too. Some more real words. Ready for the drive-in right there. 1957. 3100. Small block transfer in there. go, here we go. Corvette action. Roll over? No. Let's go. Super badass 65 Malibu. Looking down the glass right here. Love the color of this interior. Oh, that's everything done right. Doing the moonwalk. Watch where I'm going. Love it. That bug light, baby. About that bug life. Hula girls. And with that color combo with that gray and burgundy. Beautiful. Got a beautifully painted, straight body. 56 F100. Kept the Ford motor in there. Rolling through. Look at the side down there. Relax. Back. Right. Got some nostalgia back there. Got this thing forever in 3 days. All right, 47 hot rod right here. Always love to see all these things. If you don't love all kinds of vehicles, and you call yourself a car enthusiast, something wrong. I appreciate all those love and work, blood, sweat, tears, gears, and pocketbook money that goes into putting these bad boys together, bringing them back, and then keeping them this way. It's a passion, baby. It's a passion. Another bird. That original block in here. 1956. Drop it down. Dance around for that music. Original hubcap. Nice color combo again. That Continental kit. Very nice representation. Another Corvair out here. Let's go. Simi Valley Elks Lodge. I don't know what their number is. After that Corvair. 2. Yeah. Clean. Love it. Trying not to trip on these goddamn rocks. Sexy, baby. Am I making you horny, baby? Look at that. Run down that line. Different feel. But awesome sausage. Expanding in my shorts here at 64 El Camino, 350 small block out of that 68 Corvette, 4-bolt main. Don't muck with the duck. Let's go. Patina life. Big 20s, but I keep them clean. All right. Yeah, Joel, those damn stalls are still looking good. Switches for the bitches. It's air, but it's still switched. The air action back there, but respects to my plaque. It'll be 31 years in December. Hey now, patina life, baby, patina life. When are you gonna paint it? Not never. Stop asking. Back here in the works, missing some molding back there. Hey, ain't no shame in your game, baby. Bring that thing. Bring them out. Come out, get some motivation, make things happen. Hey, maybe somebody out here will give you a hand, right? Never know. Let you go. Done finding out something for everybody. Farfig Nugan out here. Let's go. What do we got with that lime green? Some racer seats. Bounce it back, bring it back. Trying not to trip over the rocks. It originally never came red like this, but this color looks fucking awesome on this platform. Mopar, baby. Got all the Dodge. Dodge Life, Mopar. Old hot rod build here. Right. Trick exhaust. I got that 60 Ford Dodge. And this is a 30-foot edition. Exhaust dumping out the side. Bring it up here. Check it out inside the window. These things are cool. Right? Look at that big old cap. Check it out. Peekaboo. Some coachmen. Ride with the captain. Got a nice pony right here. The original style hubcap. Stickers on the dash. Paint looks phenomenal. Don't know how old it is. The paint that is. It's really nice, clean car. Classics right there, and that's just about everything we have out here. We're gonna check out this bad boy right here for a second. On the water, it's a pickle fork, flat bottom. They're gonna fire this thing up at noon. I can't wait. Just because growing up, old man always used to take me to the boat drags. His good buddy, Scotty Hart, used to have that flop flat bottom. Heart attack. Used to go to the races. It's awesome. These things, when they're fired up, get the flock out of town. Sound awesome. It's like going to the drag races at Pomona. So I look forward to seeing this thing get fired up. Not just seeing it, but hearing it. Try and get as close as I can when they do it. Last time they fired it up, I don't know, I was standing way far away and there's all kinds of kids in front of me. Kind of pissed me off. God damn it. I'm kicking kids out the way today. If you don't know, we're gonna find out, baby. And part of the festivity is not just a car show, but also a chili cook-off. So there's a lot of people out here. Pretty good goddamn turnout. Good times, good people. Over there in the far distance, my favorite person is Julie Brown. Of course, getting me topped off on my ice-cold carbonated beverage. Let's go, let's go. Gonna walk around, gonna enjoy the time. For now, let's see what's going on. Here we go. Little pre-prime. There we go. Take easy, take damn Aussie down. Turn the Aussie off. Let's go. We're gonna fire this bad boy up right now. Let's go, let's go. Open up them. Don't know unless you go. We done found out. Been a while since we've been able to sit that close in the old pit.
I don't know if it was the noise.
Get that little ACTIO and let's go, let's go. That's good shit right there.
Steve Collette, who
Reminds
is in
me.
the Corvette, a concerned citizen said
Scotty Hart.
on the
Heart
dash,
attack.
and it is eating some sunlight.
Good times.
All right.
Good times, good day. Still got ourselves some ice cold carbonated beverages. Heard that bad boy fire up right there. Good times. Good shit right there. If you guys never heard such things, ooh, it's worth it. Gets the old ear horns ringing. Anyways, good times. Thank you guys all. Like, subscribe, hit it up. Go Dodgers today, right? Dodgers, Padres, F Padres. If you live around there, F Padres. Let's go Dodgers. Like, subscribe, baby. Like, subscribe. Till the next time, never know as you go. Let's go.